Since 1984, the Gray House, located in the north end of Springfield, has provided the community with civic, social, and educational needs. Executive Director Teresa Liberti spoke with Connecting Point Zydalis Bauer about measures the organization is taking to continue providing food services to families and how they've adapted during this health crisis by converting their biggest fundraiser to a virtual one.
So Teresa, the Gray House has been a staple in the North End for quite some time. Can you talk to me a little bit about the community that you serve?
Sure. So we are located in the north end of Springfield, and we opened our doors in 1984 and did start by serving the immediate neighborhood, but now we serve the greater Springfield community.
And has there been a greater need for your services during this time in this health crisis with the coronavirus?
Absolutely. And we expected that there would be, but we weren't quite sure what that would look like. Obviously, this is unprecedented for all of us. And so we did wind up shutting down our adult education program and our kids club after school program. And that kind of gave us some leeway to expand our food assistance program, which is really where the highest need is right now. So normally on a Thursday from 9 to noon, when we have our regular distribution, we'll see about 150 families. And this past Thursday was the first day that we did our curbside no contact distribution, and we wound up seeing 253 families just in the matter of 3 hours. So this Thursday, the 26th, will be our second time doing it, and we'll also have our second and fourth Fridays of the month. We always have distribution from 4 to 6 p.m. So we'll continue offering that in the same way with the curbside food distribution that people can just drive up, or if people don't have a vehicle, there is still a way that they can come and get food.
And I know that this week when Governor Baker announced the closure of non-essential businesses, the Gray House is considered essential, but how did this order help the Gray House?
It allowed us to really use that space for the food assistance because that's our essential program. And so just making sure that we don't have anyone else in the building other than those essential staff and volunteers, and all of the space that we would normally use for our adult education classes or for the kids program, we now have those set up for our food assistance volunteers to go in there and pre-bag the groceries. So if you walk into one of our classrooms, there are just boxes of food loaded up along the walls, and then 2 volunteers can be in that room and still keep a safe distance from each other. And then we'll have 2 volunteers in another classroom. So just making sure that we are still maintaining all of those safe distances and protecting the people who are doing the serving, because we need to stay open as much as possible. I mean, the people who were coming up to receive the food were so grateful and really concerned that, when's the last time that they're going to be able to get food from us, and just trying to assure them that we will stay open as long as we're able to. We are a member of the Food Bank of Western Mass, and they are doing an incredible job making sure that they can get us the food, as well as Lovin' Spoonfuls and Rachel's Table. So just making sure that we can still get that food in to get it out to people.
Now that just must make you feel so great to be able to provide this service to the community. Talk to me a little bit about what that means to you to be able to stay open during this essential time.
Yeah, so we were a little concerned at first. A lot of our volunteers are older and more vulnerable to this. So we absolutely want to make sure that we are protecting them. But we've had so many people reach out, college students who are out of school or people who aren't able to work from home and are out of work, just wanting to give back and get involved. So we've had a lot of our regular volunteers continuing, but then some new faces too. And just to see people stepping up during this time is really awesome.
The Gray House has been really proactive in adapting to this time, and you've had to get a little creative with your annual fundraiser. Talk to me about the fundraiser and what changes did you make to still make it happen?
We have our annual spaghetti supper, which this will be our 29th year, and it is our biggest fundraiser of the year. It accounts for nearly 10% of our annual budget. So we can't do the work that we do without that support that we receive, the fundraising. And rather than rescheduling it, because who knows when all of this is going to end, or canceling it completely, we decided to get creative and came up with a virtual component. So we're calling it our no-show spaghetti supper. And we've just been asking people to donate online in lieu of purchasing a ticket, which would normally be $5 at the door, to make a donation online. And then we've also been able to set up all of our raffle prizes online so people can buy chances to those and see what's available to win. And we'll be doing a drawing of that and get the word out to the winners by phone, and then be able to mail everybody the items that they won. We were really looking forward to having our Kids Club children do a performance, which is a big highlight of the event every year. But this was before we knew we were going to have to cancel that program. So unfortunately, we won't have them performing on Facebook Live, but we will, as soon as they get back into our care and in our after school program. I know they're going to be really excited to put their costumes on and do their dance, and we'll take a video and make sure that everybody can still see that.
Beyond the fundraiser, are there any ways that the community can get involved in supporting the Gray House, especially during this time when your services are needed the most?
We're still looking for more volunteers for our food assistance program, and we do have, specific time slots and only a certain number of volunteers at a time. We do have some quick training videos that we will send them so that they can understand all of the protocols, and we're taking that extremely seriously for both our volunteers and the people coming to be served. They need to be following these rules and regulations that we've set in place to make sure that everybody stays safe, but we can definitely use those volunteers.